Good morning, student. Today we will discuss distance and displacement. This topic is very important. Now, question is, what is distance? Distance is the total length covered by an object. Is called distance. For example, suppose point A is your house. This is your house. This is your house. Or you go to school. Suppose B point is a school. So you travel like this path. So this path means you travel A to B. A is house or B is school. Suppose this is a point C, this is point D, this is point E. So A to C you cover the length, suppose 5 kilometer. C to D you cover suppose 2 kilometer, and D to E you cover 5 kilometer, and E to B you cover suppose 3 kilometer. So according to definition of distance, total length covered by an object. So what is total length? 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. So total length is 15 kilometer. So A to B is total distance 15 kilometer. Now this is magnitude. Yani distance has magnitude, not direction. So distance is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity in the sense it has only magnitude, not direction. Suppose for example एक स्टूडेंट को जाना है 3 किलोमीटर, तो सपोज स्टूडेंट पॉइंट ए पे है. अब 3 किलोमीटर देयर आर मेनी डायरेक्शंस. दिस 3 किलोमीटर 3 किलोमीटर 3 किलोमीटर, ओनली दे कवर मैग्नीट्यूड, not indicate direction. So distance is a scalar quantity. Now distance always positive. Always positive. A to B distance 15 km. This is positive. Now this is distance. And what is displacement? Displacement is a shortest distance. Shortest distance means A to B. This is shortest distance. Suppose this is 6 kilometer. So distance is 15 kilometer. Or displacement A to B is 6 kilometer. So what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial point to final point is called displacement. And displacement have both magnitude as well as direction. Yani displacement means distance with direction. Distance with direction is called displacement. So shortest distance between A to B, A is your house, B is school. So shortest distance between A to B is 6 kilometer. But what is distance? Distance is 15 kilometer. So distance is greater than displacement, because distance is 15 kilometer, displacement 6 kilometer. So distance is greater than displacement, and distance is a scalar quantity or displacement is vector quantity. This is the main difference between distance and displacement. Now for example, suppose a object, or you can say a student go to school. The distance between school and home is 15 kilometer. 15 kilometer is the distance, but student की चॉइस है वो किस पाथ से जाए. शॉर्टेस्ट से जाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, और लॉन्ग पाथ से जाएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस. सो जनरली डिस्टेंस इज ग्रेटर देन डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट? क्या डिस्प्लेसमेंट जीरो हो सकता है? यस, डिस्प्लेसमेंट में भी जीरो, बिकॉज द इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड फाइनल पॉइंट कोइंसाइड. जब फाइनल पॉइंट और इनिशियल दोनों कोइंसाइड हो जाएंगे तो डिस्टेंस जीरो नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट में भी जीरो. सपोज ए बॉडी इज वर्टिकली अपवर्ड, कवर ए डिस्टेंस और यू कैन सी हाइट h, उसने हाइट कितना कवर किया h, इसके बाद नीचे आ गई h हाइट से, तो कितना डिस्टेंस हुआ 2h, लेकिन डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हुआ 0. व्हाई डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज 0? बिकॉज बोथ पॉइंट coincide. So displacement may be 0 but distance never be 0.